My name's Kerry Badham, and today I'm going to show you the brand new FMM train cutter set. You get 4 pieces in the set. You have your engine, your passenger carriage, your cargo carriage, and you have 2 different size wheels. It's very simple to use. You can create a lovely effect on the side of your cake, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to do this today. First, you need to start with modelling paste. I've got mine in 4 different colours. I've chosen the red, blue, yellow and green, just as I've got at the front of the mat. You need to roll it out on your non-stick mat using your non-stick rolling pin. If your paste does start to stick, you can use your dabber dust to prevent this from happening. I do find it quite good to roll out some modelling paste in advance and leave it firm up a little. This will also prevent it sticking in the cutter. Roll it out and turn it over, and the first one we're going to use is our engine. Pop it on top of your modelling paste and press firmly. Slide it around on your mat and remove the excess. The cutters have got a really lovely sharp edge. Turn them over, and then what I do is I use my finger just to smooth the sections that we will want to be removing. And as you can see, they've remained in the cutter. So using your knife and scriber tool, just pick your window and the little bit there that's stayed in around the funnel. Turn your cutter back over, and you can tap it for it to come out, but because this is freshly rolled it's going to take a bit longer, so I'm just going to gently ease it out with a paintbrush. And there's the first one done. Going to move on to our blue piece of modelling paste. Exactly the same as before. Place it on top, apply some pressure, wiggle it around your mat, remove the excess, turn it over, smooth the sections we want to remove with our finger, and then pop the windows out. Very simple. Go on to the cargo carriage, put it on top, wiggle it around, remove the excess, and this one doesn't have any sections to remove, so we just pop that straight through. Can you see the lovely edge that we've got? And the last section is the wheels. There's 2 different sizes. The reason for this is that at the back of the engine we have the large wheel, and then we have the 2 smaller wheels in front. Wiggle it, pop it through, and just the same again. On the engine on the cake, it has a yellow roof and a yellow front. And how I did this was I rolled out my modelling paste again and I cut out another engine. If you keep your paste nice and fine, it will stop it from sticking in your cutter and gives you a really nice finish on your cake. Pop the engine on top, wiggle it around just the same as before. Don't need to worry about these sections too much because we're not going to be using the whole thing. Pop it out, and then all I simply did was use my knife and scriber tool to cut the front of the engine and then I just popped the top off, and all you would do then is use a little bit of water on a paintbrush to wet the top and the front of your train, and just pop this one on top. It's best to do this when it's dried off a little bit. It makes the paste easier to handle. Oops. There. So as you can see on the cake that we have next to us, we've put some little toys in our cargo set. This is the FMM Toys Tappet set that we have. I've already cut 2 out to show you. And all I did was angle them slightly, and using my knife and scriber tool, cut a straight edge across, and then stuck them above the train to make it look as if the train was carrying the toys as it went along. It's very simple to use and creates a lovely effect on any children's birthday cake or christening cake or Christmas cake.